welcome to the channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as the title is saying, guys, I'm finally doing an unboxing. It has been a long time coming, but I have been doing some shopping. So yeah, I just came back from the gym. That's why I look a little bit scrappy, but I'm going to show you guys what I got and the pictures of how it is meant to look like. So this is not a haul, it's more or less me showing you guys what I got, because I haven't had my bath, so I'm unfortunately not going to be able to wear these clothes. Let's see, let's just see. I may decide to shoot a second part showing how I look on them, but till then I'm just going to show you guys what I got. So already this is a huge bag. It actually came in two. So I have the receipt here. I already opened this one because I got this package some days ago. So yeah, so I shopped from Defacto. It is this Turkish brand that came to Nigeria, and they have a store on Jumia. So I got 9 shirts from them. I mostly shopped for shirts and I shopped for one dress. So yeah, so this first package is from Defacto. I'm going to basically leave a picture of how the outfit is meant to look like over here, and then I am also going to link them down below. A bunch of them are already out of stock, but I hope I'm able to find some pictures of them and stuff, because people rushed their tops. Like, people rushed Defacto because they were super affordable, guys. I'm also going to put the prices somewhere on the screen, because as this doesn't come with a picture, I'm not able to tell which is which for this, but I'll be able to tell which is which for the other ones because they are unopened. So the first outfit is this top. I got all my shirts in extra large because I like it a little bit free. So this is it. This is one. It's really big. I got boobs, so yeah, I really love it. The texture is also amazing. Like, it's cotton but it also has elastic in it. Then I have this regular t-shirt. As you can tell, it says C'est la vie. I've always wanted a shirt like this, so I got one. Then I got a basic v-neck shirt. It doesn't have anything written on it, but as you guys can see the logo here, it says Defacto. I also got 2 other brands that I really do trust. One I have never gotten from them. This is Defacto, which I have never gotten from them, but I just felt like, why not give them a try? So this next shirt picture definitely is on the screen. It's like this. So I really liked it because I know it gave me like this gypsy vibe. Except from that, I just felt like, I don't know, I just felt like this is something that my parents would definitely like me to wear to, go out with them. It's a really strange thing. Like, I didn't buy it for myself. I bought it to please my parents. Okay, now this, I really do like this. This is like a typical Lillian's corporate / outgoing wear. It has like this. It was on this detail that really caught my eye. I kind of like things that have flare hand. I don't know why. It's like a thing with me. But it fits so well. It reminds me of this other black top, because I have a lot of black, grey, and whites. It reminded me of this other black top that I had, and I was like, oh, I really like this, so why not get it? Then this, oh my god, I think this is like my favorite white shirt. It has a picture of a woman. Like, this is so cute. Like, I would totally love to have a picture like this when I get my house, like just maybe in my dining or somewhere. Like, it feels so good. Like, guys, the quality is good. I won't lie, because my younger sister, after I got this, she actually got a sweatshirt from them, and the quality is amazing. Like, she's even reconsidering giving it out because she bought it for her friend, and now she's like, I think I'm going to keep it to myself. And I'm like, you do you, boo. Okay, now this top, it feels good. Like, all the quality wise, they did well. It feels really comfortable. This gives me the vibe of what I would wear to travel. Like, what you wear to go to the airport or like go get some. It's really like, this is a shirt that it's too big for me, but I don't mind it. It's like something I would wear with leggings, because I think it's also pretty long. I can't remember. Like, it's okay. It does okay. But I really like it. Something that I would definitely wear to the airport whenever I'm traveling. Oh, this top. Okay, this is like my favorite top on here. I really do love it. When I tried it, I felt like, okay, it was a little bit too tight, and I got an extra large. But I guess it's because it has this shoe. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, shoe, but like it's knitted well, like it's done here. So it has like this stuff here. I really can't explain it, but it's really, really cute. And then this is like, okay, this is like the last top here. Guys, I'm sure we counted, that's like 9 tops I've showed you guys. This top, I really like it. It gives me this vibe of, there's this, and I love this tag because it's like a blue. It says boho chic. I think this is under their boho chic collection. But I really do like this. Like, I know it's looking so big, but like it's super soft, and I really, really do love it. And to the next. So I don't know, I think I want to open this first. Okay, no, let me open this first. Jumia. So this I got from 21 Attire. I'm not going to talk now till I open it up because it will make a ton of noise. Okay, so in here is the shirt I got and my receipt. So I got this for 3,040 naira without shipping. Okay, so it says 21 Attire, the focus is on you. Okay, nice. Exactly how I thought it would be. It's a see-through top. This is going to be my size, definitely. This is going to be my size. I love it. I totally love it. I don't see how it fits me, but I totally. So as you guys, this is totally a yes from me. Like, I'm so excited. I finally have like a see-through top. I've never had any, and I got it for 3,014 naira. Guys, I would always recommend 21 Attire. The only issue I have with their online presence, which is like on Jumia, I know they're also on Instagram, is that you have to be very careful in what you pick, because a bunch of editors, they are cute, but they're not really my style. So I really have to take out my time to pick stuff from them. So yeah, so the next one is this package. This is literally the last package on here. This is a really quick unboxing video. I'm going to try and open this up. Okay, so I got 2 things. I got a dress which went for 1,850 and a crop top which went for 199, so almost 2,000 naira. So let's see. Okay, I think I'm somehow happy, because my biggest fear was that, oh my god, this will come in like a very thick material, but it's not like that. I really don't, oh my gosh, like looking at it now, I don't like, they didn't sew it properly. I think it was like a rush work. Maybe they didn't have it in my size, but it feels amazing. Like it's okay. It's okay. I kind of hope it's not see-through or whatever, but it's okay. It does the work. I really wanted a simple dress that I could wear out, and nah, it looks really cheapish. This dress is not what I thought it would be. Fancy, finery, elegance, refined. Nah. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Wow. Okay, so guys, the last piece. Okay, this is, I hope it won't go up because I have big boobs, but this is a crop top with a little bit of an alt neck. Like, why are there so many, this thing here? Wow. It's okay. I would still shop from them though, because they're really affordable, but it's not like spending 6K for a top. Well, yes guys, so guys, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for sticking to me to the end. It was, as I said, it was going to be a very quick unboxing of all of the tops I got from Jumia. If you love to see me do like a full-on dress on haul, do tell me in the comment section down below and I will definitely do that. So guys, do shop from Jumia. They're doing the Black Friday sales. It most likely is already over by the time this video goes up, but you can wait for next year and shop from them. The brands I would totally recommend: 21 Attire, I would totally recommend them. Defacto, I would totally recommend them because this is good, but you have to be very careful because some of the clothes size wise is like it was really but I really love the outfits I got from 21 Attires. And fancy friend, right? I'm trying to confirm the name, please. Okay, so I got this fancy finery. It's okay for the price. It's not bad. I spent like almost like 4,000 for these two pieces, so it's not bad. It's just okay. It would definitely do. So guys, follow me on Instagram. My handle is over here, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and do hit the like button so I'll know that you really want to see me create more videos. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell button. It looks like a bell. I'm going to put a sample of how it looks like exactly under this video, so do click that bell button so you can always get notifications anytime I upload. And guys, do follow me on Instagram, as I was saying earlier on, so that you will see when I try out this clothes. Bye. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make 'em